Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 9th of September. And first of all, national news. US issued recorded 82,000 visas to Indian students in 2022. 40 rare exotic animals rescued in Assam in major anti-tariffing haul. Ukraine war heightened food security concern in developing nations, India. Dr. Bhupen Hazarika's 96th birth anniversary. Google tributed to singer on 8th of September. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the newly named Kartavya Path on Thursday, formerly known as Rajpath. India running out of weapons due to Make in India policy, a report said. Three stolen antique idols traced to US museums, the Idolwing CID said on Thursday. Rahul Gandhi and other senior leaders started the party's Bharat Jodo Yatra from Kanyakumari in Tamil Nadu on Thursday. India registered 6,395 new COVID 19 cases in last 24 to 36 hours, according to the Union Health Ministry data updated on Thursday. US cleared $450 million proposed military sale to sustain Pak's F-16 fleet. Hackers deleted data of educational institutes in UP, demand $1 million in crypto. And now international news. Queen Elizabeth's doctors concerned over health, close family informed. Prince Charles, Prince William head to Scotland to be with Queen Elizabeth. Jeff Bezos' ex-wife, Mackenzie Scott, donated two luxury mansions worth $55 million to charity. Pentagon stopped accepting new F-35 fighter jets after finding part made in China. US approved $2 billion military loans and grant to Ukraine neighbor. UN Chief Antonio Guterres tapped Volker Turk as next rights chief. Astronomers discovered two super-Earths orbiting a distant star. The study was published in the journal Astronomy and Astrophysics. Pandemic set human development back by 5 years globally, UN reported. UN said credible allegations Ukraine children forcibly moved to Russia. New UK PM Liz Truss promised imminent action on energy crisis. And now some sports news. New Zealand out for 82 as Australia won second ODI and series. And for more sports news, kindly check the result of India and Afghanistan cricket match later. And now news related to business. Nifty Sensex rose sharply, reversing two straight sessions of losses. Importing Russian oil part of inflation management, Finance Minister said. RBI needs to be more synchronized to handle inflation, Nirmala Sitharaman. Infrastructure spending can curb supply-side inflation, RBI official. From 2% to 13%, Nirmala Sitharaman explained India's Russian oil import. Center to acquire Vodafone Idea stake after share stabilizes at Rs 10 or above. US bank regulator warned of crisis risk from fintech proliferation. Digital lending rules designed to protect customers, RBI Deputy Governor. Asia Pacific telcos to ring in fastest revenue growth since 2016, Moody's. Liz Truss gets unwelcome Margaret Thatcher comparison with pound at 1985 low. Finance Ministry to kick-start budgetary exercise from October 10. And now news related to weather. On 9th of September, the temperature of New Delhi at the daytime will reach to 37 degrees Celsius and it will drop to 28 degrees Celsius at night. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.